To install cable cubby on table, make a cutout size of 146 by 181 millimeters. Fix the product to the table and insert the retractor into the cubby. Insert the pin through the retractor mounting hole on the side of the cable cubby and the retractor. Secure the clip onto the pin to lock it in place. Turn and lock the knob to fix the cubby into the table. Minimum length of cable in retractor is 3.4 meters, and you can pull the cable maximum up to 1 meters for use. You can mount the retractor horizontally, vertically, or at any angle you require. It comes with a mark mounting bracket for the horizontal fixation of the retractor. To use, open the flap of the cable cubby and pull out the cable to your specified length. You can also charge your smart devices with our wireless charging cable cubby. To retract the cable, press the button. You can adjust the speed of the cable by turning the knob, fast and slow. Customized sockets, ports, and cable on request.